Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Coach handbag unboxing. I am so excited to get into this bag. I did pick this up from the Coach outlet. I found a great deal, 60% off, and I went ahead and got this one. I had been eyeing it for a while, and I'm going to go ahead and share that with you. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and like it. And I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so I can see you in my next videos. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. So like I said, I purchased this from the Coach outlet. I did cut open the box, but I have not opened the actual bag. So let's go ahead and pull it out. So like I said, this bag was 60% off on the Coach outlet website. So normally this bag retails for $498, and I was able to pick it up for $199.20. So at the time of this video, that is still the deal that is on their website. This is not sponsored. This is just a bag I found on a sale, and I'm excited to share it with you. So hopefully this is helpful to you. So let's go ahead and see. So it's interesting. Okay, so it does say $498. Like I said, that is not what I paid for this. I paid $199.20. But this is the most beautiful bag. This is the Rowen Satchel. The Rowen Satchel. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so excited. Sorry. Okay, this is the Rowen Satchel with puffy diamond quilting. Oh my goodness, the website does not do this bag justice. Oh, it is so pretty. I hope you can see the color of this bag. It is stunning. This color is called Deep Berry, and it has the silver hardware. Let me get this off so you can see it a little bit better. Oh, this is so pretty. I was kind of worried that, sometimes the online pictures of bags does not really show the true color of it, or it just isn't as pretty in person. But this one, oh, this one is good. This one is beautiful. Okay, let's get this off, and then I can show you the bag up close. I should have brought scissors. I don't know why I don't ever think to do that. You guys probably don't enjoy watching me take all this stuff off. I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you'd rather me fast forward this part of an unboxing so you don't have to painfully sit here while I try to figure out how to get all this rubbing off. Not always the most graceful with that sort of thing. Oh, that's a great strap. Oh, wow. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, wow. It's definitely well wrapped. That is nice. Okay, so it looks like we have ourselves a really nice leather strap, and it is removable. Attach that. And it looks like it's also adjustable. So that's great. So you can easily wear this as a crossbody bag, which I definitely plan to, as well as a shoulder bag. And I'm a huge top handle girl, so I'm going to love wearing this on the crook of my arm as well. This is the everything bag, and for this price point, I am just ecstatic. Okay, so now you can see, oh wow, that is beautiful. So it has the silver Coach, and it has the beautiful Coach logo right there, all in silver. Has this little tag which says Coach. It's embossed right there again with the silver hardware. Beautiful. Wow. So the bottom of this bag, it does have little silver feet, which is amazing. I'm always like, my mind is blown when these high-end brands can't put metal feet on their very expensive bags, but a $200 Coach bag does it right. You know what I mean? I mean, seriously. Don't get me started. Okay, so then here on the zipper pull, it's beautiful silver. and it says Coach. Oh wow, this is so pretty. And it has the beautiful silver zipper. See how this, ooh, nice zipper. That's always, oh, okay, let's see. Let's check out the back real quick before we go look on the inside of this bag. So there we have an exterior zip pocket, which is great. So it's not a very, looks like a card, like you could fit some cards in there, which is nice. Really nice. Another good zipper. Really like their zipper pulls, how it has Coach embossed in the silver. That's pretty. Okay. So again, it does have the removable straps, and it is also adjustable. Really nice. Has lots of adjustments here for you. Really a pretty bag. So let's look at the dimensions. I have them printed out here. So it is 10 inches in length, and it is 6.5 inches in height, and it is 5.5 inches in width. So pretty good size for this bag. This color, guys, wow. So it is deep berry. So pretty. I love this. Okay, let's see what's inside. A ton of stuffing. So let's get that out. And all right, okay, let's get rid of all these little pieces of paper. Oh wow, it has a really nice lining, like a really nice size compartment there. It's a deep berry lining, so it may be a little bit difficult to find your items. Of course, an organizer that's lighter could change that. I probably wouldn't use an organizer in this bag simply because it's so structured. I wouldn't need it. But if you enjoy an organizer just to be organized, then obviously you do you. But it has this really large slip pocket right there. That's where I'd probably put my phone. And then it also has, says Coach right there. And this kind of looks like a leather tab. And then it has a zipper pocket, which is always nice to have inside your bag. So hopefully you can see that. And that's a pretty nice size zipper pocket right there. Really, really nice. Love that. So there you guys have it. This is the Rowen Satchel with puffy diamond quilting. Again, it's on the Coach Outlet website. I ended up getting it 60% off. So as I said earlier, it normally retails for $498, which I'll be honest, the quality of this bag is stellar. I would say it's worth that. So if you can get it for $199.60, wait, $199.20, then it's a steal. It's the most beautiful color bag. I mean, it is so beautiful. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video. Hopefully it was helpful if you guys are in the market for this Rowen Satchel with puffy diamond quilting. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. And I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel so I can see you in my next video. Bye guys.